USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video, you'll find some links. You can join the free Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then check out the prop firm and the brokers here. Sign up with them and then start demo account. I want you to create separate demo account if you want to trade with my signals. Okay, so if you are trading right now with your existing broker account, just leave it as it is for your other purposes. If you want to trade with my signals, I would recommend you to start a new account. For the beginning, you can start demo account. Once you feel confident, then you can go live as well. So sign up and join Telegram and subscribe and like, all free. So let's get back here, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, what we are doing is we took a pullback and then we did not made a new high. Okay, so this red candle last week did not break the previous low, so we are going up again. So this is probably the start of a new uptrend in weekly, but weekly is too far. It doesn't make sense what's going to happen today. So let's see what's going to happen today. So today means yesterday I told you that this candle did not break this low, and I told you that if this candle will break this high, then we will enter buy. Okay, so this is a daily means for example, those people who trade as per the daily time frame, you should be willing to wait for full 1 week for your results. Okay, so let's say if I tell you that enter buy now as per the daily time frame. Okay, so if you entered buy now this morning, then you have to wait until Friday to get to here. Okay, so in daily chart, things don't move instantly, so you have to be patient and you have to just make sure you look into your trades for 3-4 days. Okay, then only you will achieve your TP, target profit. Okay, so as this previous high is broken, we are definitely going up, maybe until the EMA, or maybe we'll cross the EMA, time will tell, but we are looking for longs. So if you don't understand what's happening in daily, let's go back to 4 hour if you're intraday trader. So in 4 hour, what do we have? We are consolidating right now. This is ranging. Okay, so there's not much volatility right now in the market, so we have to wait for the US market to open. Let's see what happens. But from here until here, you can see that we have been going up. What does it mean? It means that we are overbought. Okay, so two possibilities is we might even have a breakout and go upside without giving us a pullback. Okay, so if it goes above here, if it goes up, we can't do much because that will be a breakout. Okay, but as per the technical analysis, we are overbought, so we had been buying from here, buying until here. Now it's time for a pullback, and after the pullback, wait for the blue confirmation candle and then enter long. Okay, so either it might give a breakout and go up, or else just typically it will come down, take a pullback, because we are in the overbought zone right now. It is supposed to come down and then blue candle for the confirmation, and then you go long 1:2 ratio. Okay, so try to look for longs in USDJPY, and if you like what you see, subscribe, like, share the video, and check out these links, join Telegram. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.